Hey friends, in this video I briefly introduce one of the best new features in Claude Code, which is the by the way command. What I mean by that, first off, if you have not seen it so far, all you need to do is type in slash and then by the way, basically in the chat interface, and what it allows you to do, as you can see here, you ask a side question without interrupting the main conversation. So you can think of it like a Git branch, which is created, but the main benefit regarding by the way, in comparison to, for instance, create a complete new Claude Code session, is that by the way means that you have the full context of your current conversation. And you can ask a question, and this is especially tremendously helpful if you have something like me running here. As you can see here, now I'm hitting the limits here, but this conversation here with Claude ran for 25 minutes straight, meaning I have various sub-agents in this conversation which were actually doing something, and I could not interrupt it. And if I just want to have a specific question about the conversation, I can just type in by the way, as you can see here, so by the way, then I can create a new branch, so to speak. I can ask my question, including the full context of the conversation. Claude can give me the result, and that's it.